Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today, date is 15 December 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 16. Name of the chapter, Weather and Season. So, student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So, in the previous video, student, after completing the chapter, we have started the book exercises of the chapter. Okay, so all of you open page number 88. Question number 8, take the correct option. This is the MCQ question. This question we have already completed in the previous video, and we are doing question number B, that is fill in the blanks, and first 3 fill in the blanks we have completed. Okay, so let question number B, fill in the blanks. So first 3 questions, student, we have already completed in the previous video. So we will start with question number 4. During spring season we see lots of dash and dash over the flowers. Okay, during spring season we see lots of dash and dash over the flowers. Okay, so in spring season we see lot of bees and butterflies. Okay, so during spring season we see lot of bees and butterflies over the flower. So because spring season is also a very short season, and in spring season, student, we see lot of flowers in the garden and park. So that is the reason you will see bees and butterflies visiting the flowers, because they take nectar and nectar is present in the flower. Okay, next question number 5. People like to visit gas station. People like to visit gas stations during summer. So people like to visit gas station during summer. So as we know that, student, in the summer the weather is very hot. Okay, that is the reason people like to visit hill stations. Okay, in summers the weather is very hot. That is the reason the people like to visit hill station during summer. Next question number C is match the column. Match the column. First one, winter. Second, spring. Third one is summer. Fourth one, monsoon. And fifth one is autumn. This season brings rain. This season is very hot. The tree have new leaves. The tree lose their leaves. The days are very cold. Okay, so student, first of all I read this for you and after that we will discuss. Okay, winter, this is column A, column B. Winter, spring, summer, monsoon, autumn. The season brings rain. The season is very hot. The tree have new leaves. The tree lost their leaves. The day are very cold. Okay. Now we have already discussed all the seasons. So this question is very easy for us. And in this manner we can also do the recapitulation of the topic also. Okay. So winter. Winter, what happened in the winter? The season brings rain. No. Season is very hot. Winter is hot. No. Tree have new leaves. No. The tree lost their leaves. No. The days are very cold. So in the time of winter, the days are very cold because at this season the wind blow, that is very cool, and that is the reason the day are very cold. Okay. And spring season, spring is also known as a short season, and it comes after the winter. After the winter which season comes? That is the spring season. It is neither cold nor very hot. Okay. And at these times you will see new leaves. Trees have new leaves and lot of flowers in the plants, and especially you will see lot of flowers at this season, and this season is also known as the season of flower also. So what happened in the spring, the trees have new leaves. Okay. Next is the summer. So summer is very hot. Okay, summer is very hot. So this season is very hot. Summer season is very hot. Okay, at this time the wind which blow, that is very hot, and it is known as Lu. and especially people do not come out of their houses at the afternoon time. Okay. And monsoon is the time when in many parts of the country there is a heavy rainfall. So monsoon time means this season, monsoon, this season bring rain. Okay. So monsoon winds bring a rain. लास्ट वन इज द ऑटम, द ट्री लॉस देयर लीव्स. इस जैसे एज द टाइम ऑफ टीचिंग आई हैव ऑलरेडी आप लोगों को बताया भी था कि ऑटम को हिंदी में पतझड़ का मौसम भी बोलते हैं. इस मौसम में पेड़ों के सारे पत्ते झड़ने लगते हैं और न्यू पत्ते आते हैं. ठीक है. सो ऑटम में क्या होगा, दिस इज द ट्री लॉस देयर लीव्स. You can take a screenshot also. So after completing this, student, we will start with the question answer of this chapter. Okay. Now question number D, give short answers. Question number D, give short answers. What do you mean by weather? Is it clear? Question is, what do you mean by weather? What do you mean by weather? So the condition of a atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time is called it weather. ठीक है. और वेदर क्या है बेटा, ये कंटिन्यूस क्या चेंज होता रहता है. ठीक है. हावर टू हावर, डे टू डे, वीक टू वीक, मंथ टू मंथ. और जब एक ही तरह का वेदर कुछ महीने रह जाता है ऑफ द ईयर, सो उसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी से इट एज ए सीजन. इज इट क्लियर? सो the condition of a atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time is known as weather. So the condition of atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time is called it weather. The condition of the atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time is called it weather. Okay. Next question is, name the 4 things on which weather depends upon. So the 4 things on which the weather depends upon, that is the sun, wind, clouds and rain. Name the question 2. Name the 4 things on which the weather depends upon. Name the 4 things on which weather depends upon. So weather depends upon the sun, because due to ये पूरा मैंने देखो अभी तो आंसर हम लोग वन वर्ड में लिखेंगे क्यों, बिकॉज आंसर इज आस्क इन ए शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है. सो हम डायरेक्टली लिख रहे हैं कि सन है, विंड है, क्लाउड्स एंड रेन्स है. ओके, सो वेदर डिपेंड अपॉन ऑल दीज 4 थिंग्स. इसके लिए मैंने तुम लोग को बिल्कुल डिटेल में पढ़ाया था बेटा वाटर साइकिल. व्हेन the sun rays falls on the water, then due to the heat of the sun, the water start on heating, water change in the form of a gas, or which you say as a water vapor. And when the water change in the form of a gas, it become very light in weight. So this water vapor rises high, and when it come in touch with the cool air, again which process take place on cooling, again the water change in the form of a liquid. So, and this is known as condensation, and these small drops of a water join together to form the clouds. Okay, and when these raindrops become very heavy, then they come down from the clouds in the form of a rain. So weather depend upon sun, wind. जब वेदर बहुत हॉट होता है तो उसमें आप लोग ने देखा होगा कि विंड जो चलती है वो भी बहुत हॉट होती है. एंड इन विंटर सीजन में आपने देखा होगा जब हवा चलती है देन इट इज़ वेरी कूल. दैट इज द रीजन द विंटर इज द कूलेस्ट सीजन, ठीक है. सो एंड दिस whole complete process is known as the water cycle. This complete process, and this is a continuous process because water is in 3 forms, that is solid, liquid, gas. Solid is the ice form, liquid is the water, and gaseous form is known as water vapor. That is the reason water is also present in the air in the form of a water vapor. Okay, note down the answer. The four things on which weather depends upon are the sun, wind, clouds, and rain. You can take a screenshot. The 4 things on which weather depends upon are the sun, wind, clouds, and rain. Is it clear? Now student, we will continue next question in the next video. Thank you.